Hi there, please like and subscribe. I beg you, tap me. Recycling bin. Yeah, we can clear recycling bin will automatically delete file in 10 days. Yeah. For example, by type we can record or delete. Recover. Yeah, recover. Okay. We can delete. Deleting or we can clear. Yeah, be careful. Really be careful. Recycling bin will often delete file in 30 days. Yeah, you can download TeraBox, tap description, tap link, tap open app, install.